Andrew Frazer is a multidisciplinary artist from Gelorup, Western Australia. Influenced by common shared stories that remind us of our humanity, Andrew's art draws upon our inner child through subtle textures, whimsical characters, and imaginative-driven landscapes. Frazer's Not All Is Lost is inspired by the resilience of those affected by the devastating Australian bushfires in late 2019, early 2020, and their stories of hope beyond the ashes. One of the most recent pieces on the tour, Frazer's work is a sombering one, but also conveys a sense of hope. Throughout his life and his work, Frazer has held true to a core belief that Australians can unite to overcome anything. This piece is yet another statement of this belief, and a reminder that we can make it through the disasters that have marked the start of the new decade. From public murals, hand lettering, design and illustration, Frazer has been commissioned by various clients from around the world in commercial and private settings. In addition to his own practice, Frazer is the founder and creative director of 6230, an independent Bunbury-based initiative that seeks to use street art as a catalyst for urban development and social change by bringing communities together in conversation and creative inspiration. It is responsible for commissioning over 30+ large-scale murals in Bunbury CBD, with expansion into Armadale CBD in 2017-18.